Okay, so now back from the gym. Let's just start the week and yeah, let's go. So let's get changed and start the week. Let's go. And bam, ready to go. So okay, let's just start by working on this one. Do some welding, test it out. I can smell. The smell is still the gasoline, even though there is none. But just to double check, I'm just gonna put the light in it and see if it's in something in it. But yeah, let's see. And otherwise I will put the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, then extracts all the dump of the gasoline. That's actually what it would explode. You know, if you weld it, it's always the dump. I don't know how you said that in English. So yeah, let's see. Let's get at it. Let's start with this. Ah, I thought it was the carburetors of the Dominator. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the crack goes from here until there. So I stopped the crack, okay, tack, and now it's the time of the truth. So I'm gonna take this one out, then clean up all this, then preheat it, then connect this one. Okay, so it sucks the air out, and then try to weld it. Hopefully I don't blow myself up, so we will see. I saw no gasoline or any residue of gasoline, but it still smells. So yeah. Let's get at it. I will film it for if in case explodes. At least have it on video. Still waiting for the carburetors. So once I get the carburetors in, then I'm gonna start the bike, change the oil, and then do the last test ride to check the in a higher RPM, and that's it. Yeah, actually. So voila. Before I even close it up, I need to clean it, of course, because some pieces of aluminum did fall into the gas tank, of course, by drilling. So yeah, that must be cleaned up, and then carburetors, lines, everything, pam, and then gone. So hopefully, let's see. Hopefully Friday. Yeah. good. Look, this one. Here's nothing. Okay, let's take it apart and see what's going on. Let's see, let's put this one together. Clean now everything, the oil and everything. And close it up, put it in the right momentum and the right torque, and then measure. See what is the problem. Yeah, I don't know. So let's see. So let's try to show it right now. Let's see. This one, I change it to see if it makes a difference. Okay, so the one that was the one that was here, now it's here, and you can still see. You'll see, tac. Whoop. This is perfect. Really slow, really nice. Okay. Now I put this one. I take the little material was there that I showed in the video, but still, it's better. I can see now it's better, that's for sure, but it's not there yet. I don't know. So what I did now is I ordered the shells for here and see if it makes a difference. Another type of shell, another brand, because yeah, I don't like the feeling of it, to be honest. I measured this one, the diameter inside, with shells and without the shells, and is correct actually. But yeah, the bolts, those, everything is new. I mean, yeah, but still, I don't know. So the diameter without the shells is good. With the shells in and torque it to the proper torque, it's good too, but it still doesn't feel good. I don't know. So let's see. Let's wait and hopefully I get them this week and then bam. Let's keep on going another day. So right now those are sandblasted with wet sandblast, and that's why they look like this. So that was nice because when I got them out of the bike, they were not only dirty, but they had a lot of corrosion and stuff. You can see it too in the body. I think it's possible to see. I think they had like, yeah, you can see there, you see, but that's all gone now. But the line that it goes, this line that it goes from here, and it goes out, is clogged. Is how you say, is like this corrosion. So now I'm gonna put them in the ultrasonic bath, clean them all up, and then put it on the motorcycle. Yeah, I took this one out because I couldn't clean it up, even though I've been in the ultrasonic bath and everything. So yeah, you can see maybe there. Yeah, you see there. Right now. Okay, yeah, it wasn't easy. I needed to redo this one. Okay, now it's good to go. Finally, this is open. And how you test this? Yeah, you need to build up some pressure. So okay, so you put it here. Let's see, it's on camera. Yes. Okay, and what do you want is when you put it from in. Let's see. Show it. Hopefully it doesn't wet the camera. Yeah, you see, pop, 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 pop. That's what you want. You see how strong it is? That's how it should. If your carburetor, it doesn't pull that much, okay? Like a really strong stream, I don't know. That means that there's something in it, okay? The same for this one. Try to show it. Okay. Pop, pop, you can see it comes really well. So voila. So the big goes. Let's see. Yesterday I flat out those and this one here too, and the other one too. But I want to put the carburetors together, and I saw that the screws, the ones that holds all the carburetor itself, they were that nice. And then they did some soldering here, because after cleaning, before all this was filled with I don't know, like corrosion. And after cleaning I saw this. I thought first it was corrosion, but now you can see somebody did some soldering there. So yeah, and I was checking this one himself, and it doesn't look good anymore, like here. So I just decided to change everything. This one, after cleaning, and so you can see that still it's not nice, and this one got open. So yeah, I'm going to change a few things on them, so I order it, and voila. Yeah. Okay, first package is this one. They sent it to me because it must to be weld repair. You can see from a Dominator. So let's yeah, let's do that later on today, I think, but we will see. If I have time I will do that, and otherwise tomorrow. But yeah, it's a nice crack from here until there, and this one doesn't look good. So yeah, so voila, that's what I needed. Right now let's open it up and check all the holes, that everything is open, and so just to double check, because last time I had it had a problem. So just to double check everything, and then put it on the Dominator and see how she does. So right now the new carburetors are installed. I still need to adjust the cables, so the gas, so they both goes up and down at the same time. I need to clean up the gas tank, as you remember I said earlier this week. So I'm going to pick up gasoline, clean up the gas tank, put it back. I see that this one was touching one of the, like, you can see here, you see, was touching, and this one too. I think it's because it got loose and then was touching. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, actually I'm thinking about just to cut them out, and that's it. Or maybe just bend it to the side, because anyways this, we don't use it anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna ask to the owner, and then let's see what he likes to do, and then I will fix it. So there we goes. This lady, yes, is a new project. They just brought it to me right now. The idea is to make it run as soon as possible. So first this lady, later on this lady. So yeah, must be like check the oil here. This one must be changed. The clutch, at the gearbox. Then I need to check the electricity here on the front side. Then connect everything for the carburetor. New tabs for the gas tank, and let's see, and I think, yeah, then make it run. They told me that it's leaking here, kind of, so the seal might be broken, and yeah, has been in their family for quite a long time. So yeah, they just want to have it to keep on, that it keeps on running. So yeah, let's do that. Let's see if I can fix it as quick as possible. Yeah. And with the thing that the owner made, because it got loose, okay, it's touching here. It's touching the gas tank, it's touching in here, just a little bit. And I know that with the time, it's gonna scrap metal until it makes a hole into the aluminum. So I went to this shop. I bought those, but those are just too short. So tomorrow I'm gonna pick up the ones, exactly the same one as this one. Okay, the same one. But I wanted to do it now. But with the traffic and everything, it will be like an hour at least that I'm going to lose. It doesn't make sense. Tomorrow morning, anyway, I'm gonna be in the neighborhood there, so then I will buy it. So in the meantime, I'm gonna jump on this one now and just do a quick check and see how much worth actually it is. So yeah, let's go. So first thing, let's see, I got a spark. It seems to be that the lights are working. The front light, it's gone, so nothing to do about that. Then the klaxon is working. As I said, we have a spark. The brake light did react, or no, it wasn't the brake light, was the stationer light. The brake, I still need to check it because I don't think it's connected, right? No, it's not connected. Let's see, right now. What I had is that when they brought the bike, it did feel like the brake was on. And I just compressed the brake now until the moment that it's free, okay? And now it's good. But there is something weird with this one, because this one actually, when it was installed, it was touching here at the back, this plate. And I could feel it, like, it's like grabbing, you know? So, I'm gonna check now the book, but I know there's something from here, it doesn't made up. So, yeah, let's see. Let's see. So, it seems to be that this time I just got lucky. Because now it's not dragging anymore, it was just that spot. Okay, so that's way better than what it was. So let's clean it up, put it all back together, tie it up, and then get it ready to close. And then jump to the other side and check what is going on with the timing side that is leaking and ta-da-da. So yeah, let's do that. So let's see, okay. The right cylinder right now, I measured the compression. It's 6 point something. It's not really high. It should be 7 at least. So that's not looking good. This one gets to 7, so that's okay. Right now, yeah, the next thing on this one would be to fix this crack. So I'm going to weld it. That's gonna be tomorrow, and yeah, let's see. So another day, another journey. Let's get at it. It is Friday, and I got this one now. Let's see, for the dominator. So now I'm gonna weld it. Okay, this one. Now I'm gonna weld it in place. There we go. This is the next one. I need to make it run properly. It doesn't run smoothly. First thing I see, this one should be the other way around. And I don't know, the owner did start it, but I feel like the timing was off, kind of. So yeah, let's start from there and take it on. But first, the queen. Okay, so right now, I just made this one. I was just fighting with her, but I don't know why. Even though I made it like the last time, still I can see there is barely, it's like 2 millimeters of space in between them. And I don't like it. I don't like it because I know that this is gonna bring a problem. So, solution. I thought to make another system or just go and pick up a longer one, like a longer one, so I get at the end, just at the end, turn it a little bit. So this one doesn't go like this, but it goes more like this. So let's see right now. This one, it goes more like this, okay? But it should go more like this. Okay, so now she's running, okay, and let's leave it like this, running a little bit warmer. I will change the oil and then get it back to the street, to the road. Okay, in the meantime, that one is getting hot. Let's get with the red one and later on with this one. So let's go. So let's see. Okay, this one. You can see now. Okay, it doesn't look like much. Let's put it from the other side. Tick tick tick. Okay, there you go. That's better. Okay, so that's the space that we have right now. Okay, there. It's like about 5 millimeters, kind of. And this one is locked here. Okay, so this one cannot get loose anymore. This one is locked with Loctite, so it shouldn't move. Who knows? Those are the back, new spark plugs, new oil. It wasn't easy to clean up this one from the inside without taking it apart. So for the next time, I think I'm gonna buy a special tool for it, because right now it was really a lot of work just to clean up the bottom and just the walls and everything. So, okay, so now it's time to adjust the carburetors, because right now I just mounted and I put it so the bike runs, but they are not adjusted yet. And then I'm gonna do the top end adjustment. So let's go. Let's ride the bike for about half an hour or so here in the neighborhood, then open the throttle, kill the engine and see what is the color, adjust it, and then be done with her. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so right now I just adjusted Let's take it now up and down the street. If it still makes the same, then I will need to go to the garage and change the main jet. So there you go. Now it's full for the dirt ride, but this one is giving me some trouble from time to time. Seems like it's not getting gasoline, and then it gets in, and then you know. So I think something got in here. See, now it's one cylinder. This is one cylinder. See? Nice. Okay, let's see, is this filming? Yes. So right now, I clean it up with the pressure, open it up. I change the height of the float here too. So let's just start it and see. Ja. Die andere ook. Dat was net aangedraaid. Okay, no success with the dominator. The carburetor still gives me some problems. So tomorrow, I guess Saturday, I'm gonna work a little bit. Yes. So, early in the morning, Saturday morning. Let's get at it. Let's start with the dominator, taking the carburetor out and see why it's doing what it's doing, even though it's new. And then I'm going to adjust the valves. And when that's done, then yeah, later on I will start the bike. Now it's way too early. So yeah, let's see. Let's go. This one was fully open. Like if I pull it from underneath, it was just coming out. So I don't know. Yeah. So everything is back in place, and now it's still too early to start the motorcycle. So I'm gonna jump and repair this one. So next thing is to repair this one. Okay, this is from the 3TA. Then I will put it back, and then I think I'm gonna start to fill up the oil and da 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 da. So let's see, you can see it still a little bit. Has a few, like this one, I think you can see it, and this one too, and here. But I was welding, and then a new one appears. It's just the how you say that? The those poros. So like the skin, those little holes in the skin, they're the same in the aluminum. The casting element, like here you can see them too, here, but those they get open. So yeah, I tried to do it like a few times, and still I didn't get them all closed, but it's close for sure. But you can see still like this little dose. I don't like it 100%, but I don't want to spend too much time on it, only because I know that the bike must be done as quick as possible. Yeah, otherwise I would take more time and yeah, even try to pull those little ones out. So that wasn't easy to find out. Damn. Okay. What was the problem? Seems to be that this one, well, two things actually. One, the cable, as you know, I adjusted. Okay, so I soldered it because it was loose. Okay, so okay. Then when I adjust that one, this one was giving me trouble. And first I touched the cap of it, the one that it goes in here. Okay, so this one, guess what, is moving. And I tied it up and it gets loose. Tied it up, it gets loose. I'm like, oh, okay, so this one is wore down. So I took it out. I put a new one from my own motorcycle because I don't have anything here, so yeah. So I took it, I put it, then I wanted to reuse this one, but this one has the other cap. This one, it doesn't go in the other one. So I needed to cut a little bit of this one and solder it again. Guess what? Too short. So I needed to take a new one, okay? Not this one, but actually it's this one, okay? Cut it, make it again, solder everything, put it back together, and guess what? Now the bike is running finally, like how it should be. So let's change clothes and go for a test ride. Right one, right one, left one, yeah. I don't know, what is this? So I'm afraid there might be something on the magneto. Okay, I think I might found the problem. I'm not sure, but let's try to show it. The spring over there, this one, I think is touching the housing when it goes to higher RPM. That's why in a stationary and so it still is nice and stable, and once you open the throttle it just loses the spark. I think it's that, yeah. So let's get it in. Take this one out so I can reach this better, and yeah, let's see. She cuts off really quickly. It's like it's running with one cylinder. From time to time, the left one, it's not firing, looks like that, but I don't know why. I check the spark plug, I check the connections, I check everything. New spark plugs. Okay, I'm gonna do an experiment because I really don't know. I got stuck now with her. She still do that. So I'm gonna put an even bigger jet. Okay, so I tried it out. Exactly the same. I need a break from her right now. So let's check the timing on the white one and make it run. Okay, so let's try to explain this problem. Right now, what I found out is that he adjusted, or it looks like it, like he did it anti-clockwise, okay? Anti-clockwise, and this is clockwise, but this one, this rubber or this silicone was on top of it, so you couldn't see this mark. And for me, immediately it was like a red flag because I check it. I'm like, wait a minute, where is the other signal? You know, what is the other signal? So I'm checking and I see like, oh, wait a minute, it's just under this. So I cleaned it up. Now that's why you can see it. But I think the owner didn't saw that and he just adjusted anti-clockwise like an Orton. So let's see, let's put now the new spark plugs in, take it outside, start it and see how she does. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if I can make it run better in, when I open the throttle. Let's see. So okay, finally it's not dropping, or looks like it. Yeah, I need to stop. That was the last try I did. Right now I just put the same main jets as I had in previous carburetor, and it seems to run better on them, but the left the left cylinder is still misfiring. I don't know why. And she has done 400 kilometers with almost loose caps, how you say, spark plug caps, and the cable's half loose. And she did all those 400 kilometers. The owner didn't had any problem with her. I changed the carburetor and I get all the problems. Fucking hell. So yeah, see you next week. Ciao, ciao. Yes. Okay, I'm still not gone. I actually tried it again with the Bonneville, the T140, but wait, I didn't get the result that I wanted. Yeah, I'm not happy about it, but it's okay. Right now it has like 180. I don't know, normally in a bike like this, with open exhaust and open carburetors or even standard carburetors, it's 220, 210, you know. But if you put it on her, it just dies. So now I got a smaller and a smaller one and a smaller one, and I make a M8, this one. Actually, I machine it, as you can see, so it fits in it and you can lose it from underneath. Otherwise, you cannot lose it, the main jet. So yeah, now yes. Now I'm cleaning up and I'm going home finally. So yeah, see you next week. Ciao, ciao.